watch another amazing video that I have for you. I want to thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. And of course, please leave me a comment down below. I absolutely love hearing from you. With that, do check me out on Instagram down here. The link is down below for my Instagram account. I literally post daily videos on makeup, fashion, and all the upcoming videos that I will be making. So it's like a little bit of a sneak peek. Also, a really great way for you to reach out to me and share your looks with me. So message me, I want to hear from you. So with that, this look, including this wig, is all from divatress.com. I will leave the link down below, including the coupon codes and also the link for the video that I did for this wig, which is a total game changer. This wig was only $34. Therefore, you just add the wig and then all these really great little makeup pieces just to make your order to get that extra coupon code. So, and also what I really like about the makeup that Divatress has is it's all super affordable. So like for instance, the main color for this look, this yellow right here, was like $2. I will take it. So we're gonna just roll out this video and I hope you love this look and give it a try. So here we go. Got that fresh face going. Now I'm gonna be using this Clinique product, which I actually heard about from Candy Johnson. She's like my spirit YouTube animal, without a doubt. I absolutely love her. So she actually talks about this foundation being literally the best. It's a combination of foundation and concealer. So I actually first bought one color and realized it was too dark, so I'm actually using two colors. She actually uses three colors when she does her face, but one of them is for the pre-contouring. But so she does actually use two colors on her face, so it works out great. So of course, using the very supple beauty blender, which is honestly the key for success for me. I absolutely love it. And you literally, like I always talk about, you cannot go wrong with using a beauty blender. You can just pat away into flawlessness. And honestly, this Clinique product is really great. Normally, I wouldn't even consider Clinique because I feel like, I don't know, a little cliche. Is that wrong of me to say, cliche? But yeah, so I really do like it from her recommendation. So here is this pre-contour. Now, it's just actually a dark color foundation. So I actually had a darker color that was too dark for me, and then I just added in another dark color that I had. So I just mixed them together, but just use a dark, if you want to do this step, which I highly recommend, just use a darker foundation of the exact same brand or literally any other brand. But this is like really great as your pre-contour. Honestly, I can't get enough of this step of doing it. And of course, I do follow Candy Johnson, how she did it just from her video. Honestly, I love her. Go check her out if you don't know about her. She's like my favorite. So, and of course, just cleaning up the pre-bronzer, contour with the Beauty Blender. You really can't go wrong. Now this air spun, of course. Wow, what a little treat from vintage to make like just today. Like I love when products like never go out of style. Let's be real, even Aquanet is still rocking it hard, pun intended. But anyway, so this air spun, of course, really love it. I use it every single day. It's great. Just kind of making sure everything looks perfect. And I use the Beauty Blender with it to get the best look with it. Now here is a blush from Divatress, of course. And it is, honestly, I love it. I love a bronzer. Did I say blush earlier? I think I did. But, I absolutely love a bronzer. So doing that nose contour, you really can't go wrong with it. Now, this is actually a blush from the Dollar Tree. I actually realized I only have hot pink blush. So I realized, you know what? I need other colors. So I love this mauve color from there. It's really soft. And honestly, it's like clearly not hot pink like my usual. Now, here is the highlighter from Divatress. Wow, I'm just looking at both those colors. I'm going to be using that middle color since I feel it'll be best for this look. Using the fan brush, and most brushes I'm using for this entire tutorials, like all my tutorials, are from e.l.f. I will have the links below for all the links for that too. So here is by Beauty No, Makeup Revolution. They actually have a really, really great concealer. I dig it. So I'm actually using this first for my eyeshadow. Now, mind you, I'm kind of like doing this for the first time ever. Like, honestly, I've never even played around with using concealer and then using eyeshadow on top. Is that really crazy to say? But I really haven't. So what I really like is I'm kind of like doing all this stuff for the first time with you on the camera. Just showing you, like, if you just keep going and keep making it work, you can do it for the first time, no big deal. So of course I'm using that lighter color from that palette, also from Diva Trust, as my highlighter. This brow is also from Diva Trust as well. They have the Kiss line. And what do I think about it? I think it's good. I don't think it's as good as my NYX that I really, really love, the gel tube guy. But this isn't bad. Honestly, the color is great. I just felt like it really wasn't concentrated. I really had to just go over and over and over, and it really just wasn't giving me my line. But honestly, I do feel like the color, like as I'm looking at it, it looks really great for my eyebrows, and it doesn't make it look, you know, weird at all. So I do like it. I just feel like it isn't as concentrated. Now here's the main star of the show. Oh my gosh. So I will be doing this also for the first time. I've never done this before. What's wrong with me? Where have I been? So using that yellow and using that spray from NYX to really make that color pop. So of course, if I didn't have that, the color wouldn't be as poppy as it is right there. So I kind of always thought like, whatever, yeah, I think that would work. No, it actually really does work. So I'm going to be using first a brown from the palette, kind of start off. So brown and black with this yellow was the whole key to this vibe. So of course, as they say, like, I'm not doing it, but by all means, you can do it. That if you're going to put a darker color down, you definitely need to layer other colors kind of in the same realm, but lighter. And I'm not doing that, so which basically just means you'll just be maybe blending a little bit more than you have in, you know, if you would have used more colors. So I'm using this brown, kind of actually just putting that down before the black, kind of so it kind of like sneaks through underneath the eyelash, of course. And then, you know, I'm just blending away using, that's actually a Morph brush. It was my first Morph brush ever. Really, really, really like it. And that's just a smaller e.l.f. brush of the same kind, but a small crease. I will, of course, be using the yellow kind of like over and over again, because honestly, like on that top, like vibrant part, you are going to have to touch it up without a problem. So here I am, like doing the part that I never, ever, ever do, is do a dark inside. Like literally, I'm doing this and I'm thinking to myself, oh my God, what am I doing? And a couple times I felt like I was gonna freak out during it. Like, I think I screwed up. This is looking way crazy. What is going on here? And so, like I always say, trust the process and keep going, because I'm not kidding you. Like during this, I was like, I don't even know what is going on here. And it almost was looking like muddy weird. Like I couldn't see. I think because it was just such a look that I don't do, and I wasn't used to seeing my face with it. But literally, just keep going. I'm adding that black right over the brown, and you know, even underneath. And I'll be doing that also with that inner lid too. So I'm just following. Literally, the key with putting on makeup is just following your own like face, your own face curves. And here is my eye. I'm just following like the lines that are currently on my face. So it's almost like a paint by color, if you will, where you're kind of given like your own personal guidelines. So here I am using that black, and this is where I started kind of freak out, like, oh my God, what's going on here? So using that yellow, please yellow save me. Who knows if that really, you can't go wrong. That yellow is so good. So again, going back, really trying to make it look a little bit more of a smokiness and following that line again. See, I'm just following that line right on the inside, connecting the two. Like I said, I've never done this before, but I was just trust. Keep going. It's just your eyes, people. You really, I mean, can you really go wrong? No. And if it doesn't, wash your face, start over. No, you would never have to do that. Just keep piling it on. Keep piling it on. So yeah, just making it a little bit more intense, as you can see, going over and over, because I really just wanted that really bold look, because that yellow, I just wanted it to totally pop and like make moves. So this is a really great eyeliner that I really love by Essence. It is super black. I absolutely love it. Super black. It actually has a felt kind of pointed curved tip slightly, not
curved but slanted tip. So I do like it. I feel it is hard for precision, but somehow I'm really getting in there today and really making it precise. Wow, that looked pretty good. So like I said, this is always like my staple go-to, honestly, if I'm running out. I love using the Inglot, of course, the eyeliner, but it honestly just takes a lot of time, clearly. So this is actually the Kiss gel eyeliner. So I felt like it wasn't dark enough but maybe I'll give it a try another time. But I'm just doing that tight line, of course, waterline, and here I am. Yep, there it is. Now these eyelashes also from Diva Trust, they are actually Remy hair. Yeah, beautiful. So this Kiss product also from Diva Trust. That's trying to get some mascara on, and honestly I feel like this mascara is fine. Do I feel maybe I would need to put like multiple coats on, but I'm really particular about my mascara, so I'm often not too happy with it. I really just like one. That's it. So for my lips, I'm again going to be using Essence. I absolutely love these lippies. I love the lippies from Essence. I figure I literally have so many of them. I love it. So I will be using both that nude color, and then I'll be using the metallic later. I wasn't sure when I was first putting it on if I was going to use that metallic right in the center of my lips, but I will later. But now it's eyelash time. After I literally let the glue in the eyelash literally sit on my eyes or on the lash for literally 2 minutes. Like I literally just let it sit forever because I want it super tacky. I don't want any sort of mess around. I want it just to like almost be magnetic to my eyes. So yeah, I just let it sit long and just put it out with the tweezers. I feel it's so easy. I literally do it every single day. So I'm actually going to be using here, yep, there's that little metallic boom right there. So I'm just going to make that little pop right there. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Ooh, meow.
Whoa, talk about a yellow and smoky eye dream. So it's definitely a look that I never do, and I wanted to do it on camera with you because I just wanted to show you that honestly, like I said, I never do this type of look with the smoky on the inside ever, 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 ever. So this was literally like, just trust the process, keep going, wait till you put on your eyeliner and your big eyelashes or your mascara because it generally all comes together at the end. Everything is down below, the link for the wig, the coupon codes, everything fabulous. And if you have any kind of questions, reach out to me. I want to hear from you. And of course, see me on Instagram. That's the best way to reach out to me and see what I'm up to every single day. And get sneak peeks for future videos. So again, thank you everyone, and we will see you soon. Bye.